Welcome to ZenBasket Builder. Let's take a look at the carousel element in ZenBasket Builder. Add a new blank section. Then from the left side Properties panel, go to Add Elements. Click on Advanced section and open the Content Rotator. Here you will see three different types of carousels: non-unified content rotator, unified content rotator, and data-driven content rotator. Now drag and drop the non-unified content rotator into the blank section. Note, in the non-unified content rotator, you can edit each card separately to achieve uniqueness for each card without affecting the other cards. Now select the text, go to the right side Properties panel and click on Properties. Then open Typography and change the font color. Next, click the right arrow button to move to the next card and change the font color to a different one as you wish. In this way, you can apply a different style for each card in the non-unified content rotator. Now create a new blank section by clicking on Add Section, then select Blank Section. Go back to Add Elements, open Content Rotator, and drag and drop the Unified Content Rotator. Note, in the Unified Content Rotator, any changes you make to the first card will be applied to the remaining cards, except for the content data. Select the heading, go to the right side Properties panel, and under Typography, change the font color. Now click the right arrow button. You will see that the heading color on each card has been changed. Next, change the position of the button on any card. Again, click the arrow button, and you will see that the button position on each card has been updated to the new position. Now change the content inside the button on the current card. After making the changes, move to the next card by clicking the arrow button. You will see that the content on the next card does not get changed. Now let's move on to the next one, Data-Driven Content Rotator. Create a new blank section, go to Add Elements under the Advanced section, open Content Rotator, and drag and drop the Data-Driven Content Rotator into the blank section. Now go to the right side Properties panel and open Data Mapping. Change the service name to Products and the API name to Featured Products. In the field to map, select Product Image and Product Name, then set the limit to the desired number of slides you want to display and rearrange them as required. Now click on the configuration icon, open the arrow drop-down menu, and enable Show Arrow. After that, click the arrow to view the other cards in the carousel. Under Configuration, you will find several other options that you can use. Click on the General drop-down. Here, you can switch from a manual carousel to a timed carousel. By doing this, the carousel will automatically change on the storefront. Set the time interval to your desired duration and enable pause on hover if you want the carousel to pause when someone hovers over it. Next, under Arrow, you can select any arrow design you prefer. You can also change its type, size, and color. Under Dot, you can enable or disable the carousel dots. By enabling Custom Position, you can move the dots anywhere inside the section. Then under Transition, you can choose your desired transition type. You can also enable or disable the Play Pause button, allowing users to pause the cards so they can read them slowly and clearly. You can also change its color. Finally, under Count, you can enable Show Count to display which card the user is currently viewing. By enabling Show Total Count, you can also show how many cards are available and indicate the current card position. And that's it. Click Save and publish your site. Now open your store preview link. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials coming your way.